Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the TV supports Wi-Fi and locating the model number for reference. Once done, make sure your router is on and you know the SSID and password. Note whether the network is 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz because range differs. You power the TV and use the remote to open settings, then network, then setup or network setup. Follow the on-screen prompt to search for wireless networks. Select your SSID to start the connection process. Now you enter the SSID password carefully using the on-screen keyboard. Caps and symbols matter, so double-check before sending. If the TV asks for IP settings, pick DHCP unless your network needs a static IP. Manual setup requires IP, gateway, and subnet values. When DNS options appear, choose automatic for most setups or enter custom DNS IPs if you prefer faster resolution or parental filtering. Once you apply these settings, the TV will attempt to. After the TV shows connected, you should test a streaming app or the browser to confirm full access. If apps fail, make sure the TV firmware is up to date. Updates often fix compatibility. If connection fails, reboot the TV and router first and then check signal strength, move the router or use a Wi-Fi extender. Try switching to the other band, especially 2, 4 GHz for range, and re-enter the password carefully. That single character often causes the issue, so double-check it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.